Welcome to Crypto University, where crypto education is made fun and easy. Today, we're talking about Hedera, a public network that's changing the game. In this video, we'll also be discussing Hedera's token Hbar, the team behind it, and the tokenomics. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll be a Hashgraph pro. But before we dive into Hedera, let's understand what it runs on hashgraphs. What is Hedera Hashgraph? Hedera Hashgraph is a new type of distributed ledger technology, or DLT, that promises to solve some of the biggest challenges facing traditional blockchain technology. Unlike blockchain, Hedera Hashgraph uses a consensus algorithm called a directed acyclic graph, or DAG, to validate transactions. This algorithm is designed to be faster, more secure, and more scalable than traditional blockchains. Think of the internet as a big pool of information that anyone can jump into and share their own content. Just like you don't need to know how a car works to drive it. You don't need to understand the nitty-gritty of the internet to use it. But Hedera is taking it a step further by creating a suite of tools that will make it easier to build on a decentralized network, the Hashgraph. Now, you may have heard of blockchains, but Hashgraphs is something new. It's different from blockchains because it solves the blockchain trilemma of decentralization, security, and scalability. Unlike blockchains, Hedera uses a directed acyclic graph, DAG, technology to order transactions on a network. And the best part, anyone can host a node on Hedera, just like you can host a server on the internet. So what exactly is a hashgraph? It's a technology that keeps track of all the events on the network. Every node, or person in our analogy, has a copy of all the events that have happened on the network. Just like a phone call, every message has a timestamp, the content of the transaction, the hash of the last message created by the sender, and the hash of the last message received by the sender. This makes sure that no one can lie about who they talked to first or what they bought first. The timestamp of every message shows the order of events, just like a chain of phone calls. And every node has a copy of all these events, so every person has the same information. Just like how every person you talk to on the phone knows what you talked about. So that's a quick rundown of what Hedera and Hashgraphs are. Let's discuss Hedera's token, Hbar. Simply put, it's a utility token that allows users to participate in the network and use its services. Hbar token holders can use their tokens to participate in consensus, run smart contracts, and make transactions on the network. Hedera's token, Hbar, is used to pay for services on the Hedera network, such as transaction fees and smart contract execution. Hbar is a utility token that is designed to provide a stable source of value for users of the Hedera network. The token has a fixed supply, with new tokens being minted at a slow, predictable rate over time. Hedera offers three main services: the consensus service, which is used to post messages on the hashgraph for timestamping and ordering; the smart contract service, which helps developers create programs with Solidity code; and the token service, which allows applications to perform transactions. Anyone can access these services. You don't need to host a node to use them. Plus, there are already hundreds of applications running on Hedera, like dApps, stable coins, decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces, and even games. As of today, the token value sits at $0.6748, significantly down from its all-time high. It's certainly one we'll be watching closely in the next bull market. So let's jump into who is Hedera Hashgraph. Well, they are a group of experts in finance, cryptography, and technology who believe in creating a fairer and more open digital world. Their vision is to make it easy for developers to create decentralized applications, making it possible for people to interact in new and innovative ways. It's a company based in Dallas, Texas, founded by the inventor of the Hashgraph technology, Lemon Baird, and his business partner, Mance Harmon. The board of directors and management team is all doxed, which means you can find out all kinds of information about them if you want to. They'd also plan to make the Hashgraph algorithm open source at some point. The Hedera Hashgraph network is governed by a consortium of trusted organizations, known as the Hedera Governing Council. This council is responsible for making decisions about the direction and development of the Hedera network, The council is made up of some of the world's largest and most respected companies, including Google, IBM, and Boeing. What makes Hedera Hashgraph so unique? One of the key benefits of Hedera Hashgraph is its speed. The Hedera network can process thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest DLTs in the market. This makes it ideal for real-time applications, such as micropayments and gaming. Another important aspect of Hedera Hashgraph is its security. The DAG consensus algorithm makes it extremely difficult for malicious actors to tamper with the network. In addition, Hedera Hashgraph uses a unique consensus mechanism that allows for consensus to be reached without requiring all nodes in the network to communicate with each other. This helps prevent network congestion and ensures that transactions are processed quickly and efficiently. Let's check out the tokenomics. The Hedera network is designed to be self-sustaining, with the Hbar token playing a key role in driving the network's growth and development. The Hbar token is used to incentivize users to participate in the network and provide valuable services to other users. For example, nodes that validate transactions and contribute to the network security can earn Hbar as a reward. This helps ensure that the network remains secure and reliable for all users. Hedera operates on a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and utilizes a limited supply of tokens. This means that as the network grows, the value of Hbar will also increase. The tokenomics also incentivize node operators to keep the network secure and functioning smoothly, making it a win-win situation for all involved. So there you have it, folks. A quick rundown of what Hedera is, what a hashgraph is, and why it's worth paying attention to. In this video, we've discussed Hedera's unique features, its team, and its token, Hbar. We've also explored the tokenomics and how they help drive the network's growth and development. With its fast transaction speeds, high security, and stable token, Hedera Hashgraph is poised to become one of the leading DLTs in the market. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. I hope this video helps you better understand this exciting new technology and what it could mean for the future of decentralized networks. Remember, if you are new to the crypto world or just want to learn more about it, Crypto University is the place to be. Until next time, and as always, thank you for watching.